Hello, it's me, FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday, and so we have 2 things to do if you're an at-home fly baby, maybe 3 things to do if you're a payroll fly baby. Let's see. Let's talk to the at-homes first and get yours done. So you're going to get up and do your morning routine. If you have young children, put them through their morning routine. Let your teenagers sleep a little bit. They can have a morning routine later. Don't forget to inspect what you expect. The second thing is Family Fun Day. Enjoy your day. Now, you may also want to do a few other routines. I would still do a load of laundry today or have my kids do their laundry today and go through an inch of paper. Do that. And then the other things you're going to do is your after dinner routine and your before bed routine. Other than that, it's Family Fun Day. Find something fun to do with your family. If you're a payroll fly baby, then you're going to get up and do your morning routines as well. Young kids, get them through theirs. Older children, teenagers, let them sleep a little bit. Still inspect what you expect. They need to do a morning routine when they get up. Kind but firm, but kind. All right, next thing we're going to do is anything that you didn't get done in the basic weekly plan. So your weekly home blessing hour would be first. I ask you every day to have someone or you do at least one of the 6 things that are in our basic weekly plan of weekly home blessing hour. So if you've done that all week, then today we're just going to strip your bed and wash your sheets. If you haven't done it, then you're also going to do dusting or any of this that you might have skipped, emptying the garbage, wiping the spots off the glass, mopping the bathrooms and kitchen, and vacuuming and or dust mopping your house. Each one of those fingers taking 10 minutes or less for a total of 60 minutes max. Okay? Then the other thing that you might not have gotten done is your errand day. You might not have gotten your groceries done. Either they're going to be delivered today, or you're going to pick them up today, or you need to go actually shop for them today, depending on your circumstances. So allow time for that. Any other things that you might not have been, maybe you had a rough week at work and you really just couldn't get out to do any of your other errands, don't forget to do those while you're out. And then the last thing is your zone. Zone 5 was until Thursday, so you might have a couple of things to do in the living room or a couple of 15-minute segments of decluttering in there if you still have clutter. And then one day or one 15-minute declutter or one 5 to 10-minute clean of your zone 1, which is the entryway, and the front porch, the back porch, the sliding glass doors, the foyer, and possibly your dining room, depending on where it's located in your house. Now, that doesn't mean you're cleaning all those things. You're picking one thing to clean in that. So let's just say you want to sweep, let's say you want to spend 10 minutes. You can sweep the front porch, you can wipe the front door down, make sure the doorbell is wiped down, and maybe knock some things down with your broom that have been, well, maybe you've got some wasp nests or you've got some spider webs or whatever. You can get rid of those things. That's it, 5 to 10 minutes, done. Okay, that's it for today. Now we're gonna also finish our laundry, make sure that stuff is folded and put away, because that's how you finish the laundry. Otherwise you didn't do your laundry, or whomever you've elected to do their laundry hasn't done their laundry. So inspect what you expect. It's also, you're going to be doing the 3 clutter checks again in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening to make sure that there's no mindless clutter in the house. Don't take it personally, you do it too. Everybody has to pick up their clutter. Inspect what you expect as the day goes on. Don't be a drill sergeant, be firm but kind. Don't forget, you're the CEO, you're the principal of the house. You can do this. All right, after dinner, we're doing our after dinner routine. Everyone who can eat at the table and carry a plate and walk can put their plate in the dishwasher or in the sink and help clean the kitchen a little bit. At the end of the day, don't forget to run your dishwasher before you go to bed and put the kids through their evening routine as well as you. Don't forget that tomorrow is going to be your holy day, your Sabbath day, your worship day. So don't forget to remind the children of that and prepare for that. That's it for today. Hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.